Tinytask and Autohotkey are popular automation tools, but they target different users and needs. Tinytask is a simple, lightweight macro recorder designed for quick automation of repetitive tasks. It records your mouse and keyboard actions and plays them back exactly. It's easy to use with no coding required, making it great for beginners who want fast, straightforward automation without complexity. Autohotkey, in contrast, is a powerful scripting language that lets you create custom macros, hotkeys, and even full programs. It's highly flexible and can automate almost anything on Windows, from simple keystrokes to complex workflows. However, it requires learning the scripting syntax, so it's better suited for advanced users who are willing to invest time mastering automation. If you want quick, no fuss task repetition, Tinytask is perfect. But if you need deep customization, control, and advanced automation, Autohotkey is unmatched. Both tools are free, so the best choice depends on your skill level and automation goals.